In today's busy world where noise often hides the truth, silence can be a very powerful tool. Imagine a place where people choose their words carefully and silence is a sign of strength and wisdom. This is the power of being silent. In this video, I will share the great benefits of staying silent. And let me tell you that there are 5 occasions when being silent is better than speaking. If you stay silent during these times, then amazing changes will happen in your life. Talking too much or being silent all the time is not good. Just like too much rain or too much sun can cause problems. Talking unnecessarily can also cause harm. Let's dive into 5 situations where you should hold silence. The first occasion where one should remain silent is when you don't have facts. Imagine a time when you are not sure about something. Maybe you have heard a rumor or someone told you something, but you are not sure if it is true or not. That's when it's the best time to stay quiet. Why? Because when you sit quietly, your brain gets a chance to grow. It's like planting seeds of knowledge. So instead of speaking up without knowing the full story, it's better to wait until you have all the facts. Speaking without facts can get you into trouble, and people might laugh at you or not trust what you say. It's like trying to build a house without a solid foundation. Remember, it's okay to not know everything, but it is important to be honest about it. So next time, if you are not sure about something, take a moment to sit quietly and learn. Your brain will thank you, and so will the people who trust you. Number 2 is don't let your words hurt anyone. Imagine if every word we spoke had the power to lift someone up or tear them down. That's why it is so important to be careful with our words. If we see that our words are causing someone pain or sadness, it's better to stay quiet. True greatness doesn't come from putting others down. Instead, it comes from lifting them up and supporting them, especially when they are feeling weak. Even if someone seems less powerful than us now, we never know what future holds. They could surprise us and become even greater than we ever imagined. So let's choose our words wisely and always strive to build others up. By treating everyone with respect and kindness, we not only make the world a better place but also inspire greatness in ourselves and others. Next one is be silent when angry or hateful people are around. When someone's angry or spreading hate, it's tough to stay calm. But you know what? Sometimes the best thing we can do is to stay silent. If someone close to you is using harsh words, it's okay to give them some space. You don't have to say sorry if you didn't do anything wrong. Just wait for the things to cool down and maybe they will realize they overreacted. Staying quiet during arguments shows respect for the other person. It doesn't mean that you are weak. It means that you are strong enough to handle the situation calmly. And who knows, maybe your silence will help bring peace back into the picture. So next time when you are faced with anger or conflict, remember the power of silence. It's not always about having the last word. Sometimes it's about letting things settle and finding a better way forward. Fourth occasion to stay silent is when others are gossiping about someone else. When people start gossiping about someone, it can be tempting to join in and add your 2 cents. But guess what? Staying silent is often the smarter move. Think about it this way. If they are gossiping about someone else now, they might gossip about you later. So why get involved in something that could come back to bite you? Instead of joining the gossip, just listen quietly. You don't have to agree or disagree. Just keep your thoughts to yourself. Being a good listener can actually earn you more respect than being a part of rumor mill. Last but not the least, if someone doesn't understand your emotions or struggles, then be silent. When you are going through a tough time, it's natural to want to reach out to someone for support. But what if that other person doesn't understand or care about what you are going through? In that case, it's better to stay silent. Sharing your emotions or struggles with someone who doesn't care can end up making you feel even worse. You might regret opening to them and wish you had kept your feelings to yourself. Instead of wasting your time and energy on someone who doesn't appreciate it, focus on finding someone who truly cares about you. Talk to a friend, family member, or therapist who will listen without judgment and offer you the support you need. Remember, it's okay to keep your feelings to yourself if you don't feel comfortable sharing with someone who won't understand. Your emotions are valid and you deserve to be heard and supported by someone who cares about it. So, next time, if you find yourself in any of these situations, then remember that the silence can be your best friend. It's the sign of strength and integrity and keeps you out of unnecessary drama. What do you think about this thought, and is this video valuable for you? Please share your comments with me. I'm waiting for your comments. So please share your views.